When setting up your Storganized website pages, it's important to understand how headers and footers behave differently from other blocks. The header, found at the top of your site, and the footer, at the bottom, are persistent elements. This means they are the same across every page of your website. While you can customize every block on each individual page, any changes you make to the header or footer will be applied to all pages automatically. So if you update a link, button, or piece of text in the header or footer, it updates site-wide. Unlike regular blocks, headers and footers can't be rearranged. However, if you accidentally delete one, you can easily add it back from the block menu. There's only one header style, but you can choose between two different footer layouts. Editing the content in these sections works just like any other block. Once you've configured your buttons, links, and other content, don't forget to save your changes before leaving the website editor.